Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you're new here, you're most welcome. Please subscribe to join this family. So guys, for this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little process of how I made this 3-part corset. It's actually my first time, you guys, I'm making a 3-part corset, and I'm actually excited about the results. So I actually made a corset dress for my elder sister a while ago, and then I had to make some adjustments on the dress. So there was no modesty panel at the back on this dress before, so I had to fix it. And I also adjusted her hip measurement because it was a bit bigger than her hip, so I actually adjusted it. So you guys, this is actually how it is. I'm looking forward to learning more on corsets and then showing you guys my process, my growth here more. So please, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Like the video as well. It will really go a long way because I'm looking forward to making more videos, making more tutorials. For this one, it's not a tutorial, it's just me showing you the process because I actually did it off camera. So for the cup of this corset, I actually used a breast pad. I didn't use any bra cup for it. I drafted it and then used breast pad for the cup, and the result was really amazing. And I also went ahead to create this basket effect on the upper part of this dress. So you see how it's pointy at the middle. I'm going to be placing it on the skirt part to trace it out, to cut it, and then sew it on the skirt part. And the next thing I did was to use my pattern paper to cut on the fabric to cut out the yoke, and then I fixed it back on the upper part of the dress. So when I was actually done fixing the yoke, I had to work on the back piece. I fixed the yoke for the back piece as well, fixed 2 buttons at the upper side to hold it, as you can see in the first clip that I actually uploaded. And I'll go ahead and sew the upper side with the downside. So you see how it is. Please don't mind the direction which these chickens are facing, okay? The down ones are facing up while the upper ones are facing down, so it was really difficult for me to place the pattern, so I had to just cut it the way it is. And you guys, there was no boning on this dress, but it was still okay after everything. And for this exaggerated sleeve, I had to gum collar gum on it, and I also used crinoline at the edge to hold it firm. So you see how firm the sleeve is and the way it's standing. I had to use it at the edge, the downside, so that it would be able to stand and then point well. And I made some pleats at the mid of this sleeve and then fix it on the dress. So guys, this is the end result of the dress. This is how the front is looking, and then this is how the back is also looking. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and also comment down below your thoughts about this dress in the comment section. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.